Welcome back, everyone. It is Caleb with Red Racing Industries. Now, today we are back with episode 40 of Racing Every Single Track and Every Single Car, instead of Gran Turismo 7. As we have for the last 39 episodes, the 2022 Honda Civic Type R is what we're going to be racing. We're going to be heading back over to the UK, and it's something Woods. I read it as I hopped out of the last episode. But let's go ahead and dive right in. Here we go. As we dive in here, I forgot to put on my headphones. There we go. Go ahead and get everything recording. Perfect. Let's go ahead and dive in here. There we go. Now, I keep mentioning it, but I love the Type R. I am kind of obsessed with it in a portion, and I take that too. I drive it on a daily basis, so I do get to feel every single thing. So good with it. I was gonna think something else. So we got our full course, and I think this is one of the newer ones. We're gonna do morning. Now, new-ish. I don't really know for sure, but I did race this track when I was playing with the music series, which was weird. I couldn't ever beat it to its full extent. I was close, but not fully there. So this is basically just a weird circle with a couple different turns. That's all this track seems to be. A lot of top end speed, and I've got more cornering than anything, but we shall see. A little bit of driving skill involved, but not near as much as I'd like to admit. There we go. Control that. So I took it in too hard. For the most part, there's not going to be many overtakes that I know of. Because that's, I've tried it before. I tried it as a test to check out some of the new tracks. I thought this was one of the new ones. And I couldn't get very many overtakes. There's two right there. But now we come to the end of this straightaway. And get rammed in the back. Dang. So all of what we just did there is gone. So that's wonderful. Let's get back in the race here. He just kept shoving me over. I'll look at it in the replay, but it felt pretty hard. I was on the throttle too. There we go. Gotta stay in it. Get around them. Bam! On the Supra. So, I think I've mentioned it before. I did check out a Supra. I didn't get to drive it. I still haven't driven a Supra to this day, because dealerships are so stingy with it. And I haven't traded for one either, so I don't get to experience it quite yet. And I know a lot of people love them. I couldn't get past the steering wheel. Oh, there goes the Alpha. We're getting back in here. Screw them. Right on the BMW's tail. It was the Viper. I saw it was the Viper that knocked me off. Well, there it is, another one. They keep doing it right there, right at that specific spot. Well, at least we're gonna try and pass this Viper. Go. There we go. A little rough around the corner. I can't deal with him anymore. I have to get around him. This is the last lap. some reason I was thinking 6, but I was wrong. Yeah, let's gain some of them positions back. There we go. P13. Not the best, but also not the worst. Since given what we've been through. There we go. BMW, I think. Z4. Oh, Z8. I ain't never seen one of them in real life. Just keep going. Keep pushing. I basically pushed him. There we go. Ooh, got the old classic. Okay, P11. Anyway, I was racing at Good. Okay. Episode 40? Yeah. It's not even 10 o'clock now. That was like the third or fourth episode we did today. I'm trying to get a bunch of them out because I want to get into some practicing and really focus on that instead of having to record, edit, practice, so on and so forth. I wanted to watch that replay. Dang it. I don't even have a thumbnail from it. Oh well. Anyway, that shows you how tired I am. Other than that, I look forward to seeing y'all on the episode. Episode 41 is where we'll be hitting. I don't think... No, there's no way for me to even really watch it now. Anyway, I'll see y'all on the next episode.